Good morning, everyone. Today's thought is, if you feel that you are losing everything, remember that trees lose their leaves every year and still they stand straight and wait for better days to come. Never lose your hope. Today's date is 7th of August and day is Friday. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. Before starting our class, let's take 1 minute relax. So, take out your both hand like this and close your eyes. Now follow my instructions. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now open your eyes, put on your both hands and relax. So students, this is your first period of English literature. Take out your literature book, the drops, and open page number 31. Today we will discuss about the chapter 5, Minky calls his friend. Page number 31. As you can see, the word friend is here. That means this complete chapter is based on friendship. So, let's discuss this chapter. A character Minky is here, okay, and the character is a monkey. That means Minky is a monkey. Minky is a monkey in this chapter, and Robin a bird. They both had Fran in this chapter. Okay, Minky had Robin to prepare his nest. Sorry, her nest, because Robin is a female bird here. Robin is a female bird. Remember it, okay? So Minky helped Robin to prepare her nest, and Minky had Robin with his friends also. Okay, Robin lived in a tree, and one day a high storm ran to that place where Robin lived. So the storm was there. The storm was very high. The motion of the storm was very high. That's why the nest of Robin fallen down from the tree, and she was very scared. Then her nest was broken. She was very scared and sad due to storm, due to her loss, what she lost in the storm. So she was very upset because she left her nest because nest was broken. So what she was not able to do anything. Her complete body was also wet due to storm, due to heavy rain. She cried badly for her nest. At that day she cried badly because she lost her home, right? The nest is her home. She lost her home in the stormy night, and the rain was falling very hard. So she was wet due to rain, due to water. She was completely wet. She was crying loudly. That's why the tears rolled from her face. The tears rolled down from the face of Robin. Minky went to her. When he saw the condition of Robin, he went to the Robin and asked what happened. Then Robin told the Minky, my nest broken out and prepare a nest again. We will make your nest again. And the Minky called his three friends there. One giraffe, dove and pigeon. How many friends have Minky? She called how many friends? Three friends. How many? Three friends. Giraffe, dove and pigeon. Pigeon. So, Minky called her three friends for Robin's help. So, now what they do? They collected all their twigs, feathers and leaves to make the nest again. When they collected all the things, what they do? They made the nest again for Robin. Robin joined all the twigs, all the leaves, dry leaves were used in Robin's nest. Okay, the leaves or twigs or the feathers, and now they Robin rejoined them all and made a big nest than before. What she did? She made a big nest than before, the biggest nest. Now Robin was very happy because Minky and his friends helped Robin to make her nest again, and now this nest is more capacity and more space than the next nest, which was Robin had and which was broken. So now this nest was very space, that nest was much and more bigger than next one. So Robin was very happy with that nest and she thanked Minky and his friends. So what they said? They said, when you became mother, we will take party from you. When you laid your eggs, when you got your babies, we will take party from you. And you have to throw the party of your babies. Now, Robin, Minky and his three friends was very happy and they moved to their homes. Robin stayed in her nest again and the condition which was worst at that time became normal and Robin was happy at that time. That was the story of Minky calls his friends. Why Minky calls his friends? Minky called his friends for Robin's help. They made the Robin's broken nest again and more comfortable than the next nest, which was broke. Okay, I hope this story you understand better. Now I'm going to explain this story in Hindi for your comfort. So listen carefully. This story is based on Minky, Robin and their three friends. मतलब ये जो स्टोरी है वो किसकी है? मिंकी की है, रॉबिन की है और मिंकी की तीन और फ्रेंड्स से की है। एक बार एक बहुत स्टोरी देखा। उस दिन क्या हुआ? बहुत बारिश हुई। जो रॉबिन एक ट्री में रहती थी, रॉबिन एक बर्ड है, वो एक ट्री में रहती थी। क्या हुआ? इतनी तेज हवा चली, the winds blew very hard, तो उसका जो नेस्ट था वो ऊपर से नीचे गिरा और टूट गया। तो वो अपसेट हो गई और क्योंकि बहुत तेज बारिश थी, वो अपने घर में भी नहीं थी, वो होमलेस हो गई थी, तो वो पूरी तरह से भीग भी गई थी। उसकी ऐसी कंडीशन देख के जो मिंकी उसका फ्रेंड था वो वहाँ पे आया। मिंकी कौन था? मिंकी एक मंकी था। मिंकी जो है वहाँ पर आया। उसने जब अपने फ्रेंड की ऐसी बुरी कंडीशन देखी तो उसने इससे पूछा कि क्या हो गया। तब रॉबिन ने बोला कि मेरा जो नेस्ट था वो हैवी स्ट्रोक की वजह रॉबिन जो होमलेस हो गई थी उसको फिर से शेल्टर मिल गया, उसको फिर से अपना नया घर मिल गया और ये वाला घर उसका ज़्यादा बड़ा, ज़्यादा अच्छा था। तो रॉबिन खुश हो गई। उसने अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स को, मिकी को, जिराफ को, पिसन को, डॉग को थैंक यू बोला। तो उन्होंने क्या बोला, थैंक यू तो हम एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन तुम्हें हमें पार्टी देनी पड़ेगी और पार्टी तब देनी पड़ेगी जब तुम्हें बेबीज होगी, मतलब जब तुम्हारे छोटे छोटे से बेबीज हो जाएंगे तब तो हमें पार्टी थ्रो करना और उसमें हमें इनवाइट करना। फिर वो लोग जो मिकी और उसके फ्रेंड्स थे वो अपने घर चले गए और रॉबिन अपने घर में खुशी खुशी रहने लगा। ये थी स्टोरी मिकी कॉल्स हिज फ्रेंड्स। Minky was a true friend of Robin. He had Robin very much. So Minky was a true friend of Robin. I hope students this story is clear to you all. And now we will read exercise of the book. So come on the page number 33. There are words meaning and you have to find hard words from the book, from the chapter, and learn all the word meanings which are given here in chapter page number 33. I hope this is clear to you all. And now we will do exercise of the chapter. The first number is tick the correct answer. That means you have one question and there are multiple answers are there, and from them one answer is correct. So you have to tick the correct option which follows the question one. So the first is, who was afraid of winds and heavy? Who was afraid of wind and heavy rain? Who faces that? Robin faced that, right? So the B option, Robin, is correct. Tick the option B in first question. And let's move to another one. Let's read the question. Promised to help Robin to make her nest. Who promised to Robin to help her to make the nest again? Minky was a good friend of Robin, right? So Minky promised to him. So tick the option A, Minky. Next is the weather in the jungle was. The weather in the jungle was stormy, right? The rain was falling down. The heavy wind was blowing there. So the atmosphere, the weather in the jungle was stormy. C option, stormy. Who was going to throw a party? Who was going to throw the party? Robin was going to throw a party, right? So tick option A, Robin. I am repeating all the answers here. In very first, B option is correct. In second, A option is correct. In third, C option is correct. And in fourth, A option is correct. Alright, let's move to next exercise, and that is complete the following statements. All lines are given in the chapter. You have to search every line and fill the book in good handwriting. Okay? Who said to whom? Page number 34 and the C number exercise is, who said to whom? My dear friend, I have an idea. Minky said to Robin. Thanks a lot, dear friends. Robin said to Minky and friends. Look at these trees and figures. Minky said to Robin. Okay, these three lines are clear to you all. In very first, Minky said to Robin. In second, Robin said to Minky and their friends. And in third, Minky said to Robin. Why was the tree shaking? Due to storm. Why were tears rolling down on Robin's face? Because she lost her nest during heavy storm. That's why the tears rolling down on Robin's face. How did Minky help Robin? Minky called all their friends and he prepared the nest of Robin again. When Robin got a bigger and comfortable nest, what promise did she make to her friends? She said, I will throw a party for you all. bird's name here and the sound of the birds here. In next, make sentences with the words given below. Few words are given here. You have to make sentences of them. I will provide a PDF of these pages for your help, and you can take the help of your parents and your elder ones to complete this exercise and all the learning work. Today's class is over. Keep learning and do all your work in your proper time. We will meet in our next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye and thank you.
Good morning students, I welcome to your online classes. I am maths teacher from Shivaji Group of Institutions. Student, you have previous class, you have done this chapter number 3rd, and so student, today's chapter number I will teach you chapter number 4, and chapter name is multiplications. Okay, students, are you know multiplications? Now, firstly, take out your book and open your page number 75. Okay. So, students, how many cards? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cards. Okay. And one card में कितने wheels हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wheels हैं. Okay. तो आपसे अगर पूछा जाएगा तो how many total cards हो? So, students, आपसे अगर पूछा जाए total number of wheels तो 1 कार में कितनी है? 5 है. तो 5 times 4 है ना. 5 क्या है? नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप्स. कितनी कार है? नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप्स. नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप्स 5 कार है. ठीक. एंड 4 क्या है? वन नंबर ऑफ ईच ग्रुप. एक नंबर का ग्रुप है. नंबर ऑफ ईच ग्रुप. 5 times 5 into 4. Multiplication is into करना. ओके, क्रॉस करना. आर यू क्लियर? ये इसका साइन है. 5 into 4. 5 आर यू नो ना 5 टेबल? ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. 5 into 5, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15, 5 to the 20. Answer will come 20. 20 number in total class. Okay? Number in all. Number in all. So, students, are you clear that multiplications? Once again, 5 times 4. 5 cars है. Total cars कितनी है? 5 cars है. And each cars में कितने wheels थे? 4. 5 into 4. And total numbers of wheels पूछ क्या रही है? 20. 5 4 are 20. Are you clear? So let's start exercise. Exercise 1. Opening exercise 1. First question is there. How many leaves? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है? कितनी है? 4. ओके, क्या आएगा? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 4 5 is yes. Are you know the 4 table? Let's start. 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8, 4 3 the 12, 4 4 the 16, 4 5 the 20. Answer will come 20. Okay. Now next question is this. 5 2 the 10. 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10. Yes, answer will come 10. So students, first exercise done now. Okay. Now next question, B number question. Same as it is. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. B number. For example, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay. So how many 3s कितनी बार है? 1 2 3 4. 4 times है. क्या है 3, तो 3 into 4, ओके 3 4s are क्या 12, यस 3 4s are 12. अब क्या करेंगे, अब हम उसको अगर ऐड करेंगे तो ये आंसर क्या आएगा 12 करते हैं 6 plus 6 plus 6 12, okay 3 plus 3 6 and again 3 plus 3 6 plus 6 12, 3 4s are 12, okay. So students, B number question is done and C number questions be same as it is, okay. So move your next exercise 2. Exercise 2. 2 into 5 multiplication numbers है. For example 4 into 2 क्या करेंगे, नंबर लाइन करेंगे, ओके 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 then 9 and then 10, okay 4 into 10, 2 times 4, start 2 again 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, answer will come 4 2s are 8, okay. So student, now next exercise 3 and so this exercise has done, okay. Exercise 3 based on tables 2 to 10, okay. You know that 2 tables 3 tables 4 tables 5 tables है ना. तो exercise 3 serious exercise 3, exercise 4, exercise 5, exercise 6 and exercise 7, exercise 8 and then exercise 9 and exercise 10 and exercise 11 based on tables, okay 2 to 10, okay students. Now next exercise. Exercise 12. देखिए 1 into 4, 1 4s are 4, 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, है ना. Based on 4 table, okay. Exercise 12 and see exercise 30 based on 5 tables. You know now 4 table and 5 table, okay. So move your next exercise 40. Exercise 40. First question is there, multiplication 5 into 4. 5 4s are 5. Start 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Yes, 5 4s are 20. Now next question is this 2 into 3. 2 into 3. You know that 2 table? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Answer will come 6. Okay. Now next question is this 2 into 5.
So as well as we have to know about our India also, because India is also our home. So first is India got independence in 1947. Second, the first president of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the first president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The largest state of India by population is Uttar Pradesh. So you all have to fill this exercise, and page number 23 in this test paper 1 you have to just complete this page and all the given exercise. Okay. Sorry. Now open page number 25. Page number 25. And the chapter 12. Chapter name is parts of the plant. Plants have beautiful flowers, tasty fruits, green leaves, and much more. Plant give us fruit. Okay. Let's see how much you know. Write the name of the parts of the plant with the help of the box. In the helping box, you have to just give exercise. So you will have to just choose the word for the correct sentence. The first is, this part join the roots with other parts of the plant. This part join the other parts of the plant. Means ये वाला जो पार्ट है वो प्लांट के अदर पोर्शंस को भी ज्वाइन करता है. So what we call this part? This is called stem. So write here stem. 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 Now move to second. This part holds the leaves, fruit and flowers of the plant. So this is called, this is a branch. So write here branch. 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 Now third is, this part absorbs nutrients and water from the ground. This part is underground. This is called roots. Right here, root. Now move to fourth. This is the most beautiful part of the plant. This is the most beautiful of the part of the plant. This is called flower. Right here the spelling of flower. 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 Fifth, this part is the food factory of the plant. Leaves. Leaves are the food factory of the plant. So write here leaf. 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 Now sixth is, this part contains the seed of the plant. This is called fruit. So write here the spelling of fruit. 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 Done. So here again I am repeating. In first column you have, this is called stem, and this part is called branch, and this portion is called root. This is called leaf, and you know all this very well. This is a flower and this is a fruit of the part. These all are the parts of the plant. So do it fast. Now after completing this, turn your page and open page number 26. And the chapter name is Types of Leaves are called kitchen of the plant. They are responsible for making food of the plant. Leaves are the main part that is make a food for a plant. Different plants have different leaves. So in this chapter you have to just identify the pictures and write their name. In first option, the picture of a banana leaf. So right here the only just name banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. In the second one is coriander leaf. We can and we will use this leaf in at our home in our food. Okay. Mothers use this leaf for garnishing the dishes. So write the spelling of coriander, C-O-R-I, cori, C-O-R-I, coriander, A-N-D-E-R, coriander. Now move to third one is mango leaf. Write here the name of mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. In the fourth, this is mint. Sorry, this is the fourth. Third one is of lotus. Third is lotus. Like this, you can see the lotus leaf. Now fourth is mango leaf, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Move to fifth is mint. So write the spelling of mint, I-M-I-N-T, mint. And the sixth is neem. So write the spelling of neem and E-E-M, neem. And the seventh is rose. So write the spelling of rose, R-O-S-E, rose. Move to last but not the least, that is people leaf. So write here the spelling of people, P-E-E-P-A-L, people. Now here I am again repeating. First leaf is banana leaf, second is coriander leaf, third is lotus leaf, fourth is mango leaf, fifth is mint leaf, sixth neem leaf, seventh rose leaf, eighth people. Done? After completing this, move to page number 27 and the chapter 14. Chapter name is edible parts of the plant. Means that part we can eat, that is called edible. जो खाने वाली चीजें होती हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Edible. Okay? जो खाने के लायक होता है. Different plants have different parts which are edible. In some plants we eat their leaves as vegetables, and in some we eat the roots. Can you name the vegetables shown in the pictures below? In this exercise, you have to complete the spellings and identify the pictures. You have to just fill the missing letters. First is turnip, second is carrot, third is onion. These three are roots vegetables. Now move to second, beans, corn, peas. These are seeds. Now third, cauliflower, and this is a flower, stems, sugar cane. And the fifth, leaves, coriander leaf, fenugreek and spinach. Now sixth, fruit, pumpkin, cucumber and And the page number 28. So let's start the chapter. Here in this chapter, few unique and exotic fruits which you do not find in a regular fruit market. Fill the name of the fruit in the space below the pictures with the help of the hints. Here you can see the picture of fruits and also giving the hint, so we can fill the name of the fruit. And fruits are seasonal. Okay, means कुछ फ्रूट्स होते हैं जो सेशनल हमको मिलते हैं, रेगुलर हम मार्केट में उनको नहीं देख सकते, सेशनल वो नहीं मिलते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट इज इट हेल्प्स इन मेंटेनिंग स्ट्रॉन्ग बोन्स एंड इज आल्सो कॉल्ड शुगर एप्पल. सो व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस फ्रूट? कस्टर्ड एप्पल. सो राइट द स्पेलिंग ऑफ कस्टर्ड एप्पल. C-U-S-T-A-R-D. Custard apple. A-P-P-L-E. Done? Move to second. It is the national fruit of Thailand. This is called national fruit of Thailand. It is mangosteen. So write the spelling of mangosteen. Firstly, write the spelling of mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Now add steen. S-T-E-E-N. Mangosteen. Now move to third. Third is, this purple fruit has edible pulp and seed. This is passion fruit. So write the spelling of passion fruit. P-A-S-S-I-O-N. Passion fruit. F-R-U-I-T. Move to fourth. It has the highest protein content among fruits. This is a avocado. Avocado. Write the spelling A-V-O-C-A-D-O. A-V-O-C-A-D-O. Now move to fifth. It is the only fruit whose seeds are located outside its body. This is called strawberry. So write the spelling of strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. Now move to last but not the least, that is, this fruit is also known as Chinese gooseberry. So this is called kiwi. Kids, do you know mangosteen is also known as the queen of fruits. Who is the king of fruits? Mango. And queen of fruits? Mangosteen. Alright. So here again I am repeating this chapter. First is custard apple. Second, mangosteen. Third, passion fruit. Fourth, avocado. Fifth, strawberry. And the sixth, kiwi. After completing this exercise, you all have to just write at the last in the break. First, some words completed. Alright? Don't forget to put the date and class note homework. So, note down your homework. Do page number 22, 23. Do page number 22, 23 and 27. These three pages you have to done in your homework. Dear kids, please do work neat and clean. Alright, and also learn the